If you're new to the guitar, you probably noticed that it's not as easy as it looks. Most of the struggle comes from only a few common mistakes. In today's video, we're going to go over the 5 beginner mistakes that can really kill your progress. And I'm going to show you how to fix them so you can sound better instantly. My name is Rob Reed. I'm a public school music teacher. Let's check it out. Mistake number 1 is bad fretting hand. Most beginner players will rest their palm against the neck and pull their thumb up over top. This causes your hand to fall back and mute and deaden other strings, making your chords sound really bad. So the fix is pull your thumb back and play more on your fingertips and create a hole or space between your palm and the neck of the guitar. Go through each chord and make sure every note is sounding nice and clean. Way better. Okay, mistake number 2, holding the pick too tightly. Most beginners grab the pick and choke it out as if it's going to fly away. If you're holding the pick this tightly, when you strum, it's going to sound harsh, robotic, and unpleasant. No one's going to want to listen to that. So grab the pick, relax your hand, and hold it nice and loose between your fingers, as if you're almost going to drop it. This way, the pick collapses into the strings and you get a nice smooth sound. The third common mistake beginners make is playing fingerstyle with only 2 fingers. It sounds good at first and it's kind of easy, but it's seriously going to limit what you can play later on. No thanks. So you want to play fingerstyle with all your fingers. So your thumb is going to alternate and play the bass strings, the top 3 strings. Your first finger always plays the G string. Your second finger always plays the B string. Your third finger always plays the high E string. Now you have a great plan moving forward because you've assigned each finger to a string. There's nothing you won't be able to play. The fourth mistake beginners make is not having a plan when changing chords. Most beginners just kind of change chords randomly, put fingers wherever they want, in whatever order they feel like. This can really slow you down when making the chord changes when learning songs. So you want to have a plan. And the plan is put your first finger down first, your second finger down second, and your third finger down third on every chord that you do. So when you're playing C, first finger down first, second finger down second, third finger down third. And it's a bit slow and cumbersome at first, but eventually you'll get faster at it and you'll drop your fingers all at once. So first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, and then eventually your fingers will all go down at the same time. So you have a plan and the same routine every time. It's going to help you big time. And the fifth mistake beginners make is not practicing every day. If you just practice a little bit every day, you'll see massive progress over time. It's all about creating muscle memory and building on what you learned the day before. So if you practice like 20 minutes a day, you'll have way more progress than if you practice like 3 hours 1 day a week. It's kind of like going to the gym. You just go a little bit every day and you get stronger and stronger. You don't just go once a week. You just kind of lose your gains and it's not helpful. So there you have it, 5 beginner mistakes that hold people back. If you caught yourself doing one of these mistakes, don't worry, we've all been there. Just make the adjustments to fix it and you'll see massive gains and returns in the long run. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and join my mailing list. I'll link it down below. See you in the next one.